Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. These words describe the values of India and ancient civilization. They imagine a world where no one is left behind, where universal peace is possible, poverty is vanquished, and hope springs eternal. Modern India, resurgent, full of aspirations, determined to eliminate poverty, pursuing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, collective effort and inclusive growth for all. India has made giant strides in the past few years. The economy is booming, millions of jobs have been added, and the numbers of those living in poverty have been halved. India is constantly innovating to include more citizens in its relative economic prosperity. The country pioneered self-help groups that brought thousands of women into the banking system. Under Prime Minister Modi, millions more opened bank accounts. These accounts are now being used to support India's social security system, offering job guarantees, pension and insurance. India desires dignity for all citizens. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India mission has led to better cleanliness and construction of millions of toilets. It has made it possible for many adolescent girls in particular to stay in school. Comprehensive health services are offered through the National Health Mission. A tiered referral system connects citizens with quality health services from the grassroots up. Combating hunger is crucial. And India's public distribution system guarantees food security to 800 million Indians. The importance of women in Indian society is reflected in the way government programs prioritize their rights. Housing loans for less, issuing ration cards and cooking gas connection in women's names. Gender equality is central to India's vision for the future. 33% of seats for elected heads of the village-level self-government institutions are reserved for women. Further, India is always looking for ways to leverage the power of women by providing them with better education and skills. India's commitment to inclusive, sustainable development extends to a foreign policy decision. India, under Prime Minister Modi, has led the development of International Solar Alliance, the Mangalyaan, India's mission to Mars, the South Asia satellite, India's gift to the region, and the recent launch of 104 satellites by ISRO illustrate the nation's commitment to being a responsible global citizen.
सभी सुखी हो, सभी निरोगी हो, कल्याणकारी देखें, किसी को भी किसी प्रकार का दुख न हो।